In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Sidekick AI. This tool might just become your new best friend for managing your Shopify store with efficiency and ease. Now, whether you're on your Shopify admin dashboard or inside your site editor, there's a straightforward way to access this handy assistant. Just look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a head icon that looks like a superhero sidekick. Or perhaps it's a person sporting some futuristic goggles. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you do, you'll see the Sidekick panel spring to life on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to a whole world of automation and support. Here, you're invited to enter specific prompts. These prompts are essentially instructions that tell the AI to tweak your store's settings or guide you through different processes. It's a mighty handy feature because instead of having to dive into multiple menus or search through endless help articles, Sidekick AI brings solutions right to your fingertips. Imagine you need to update some details about a product, or perhaps you'd like to change your store's theme. Instead of clicking around trying to remember where each setting lives, you can simply type your directive into the Sidekick panel. The AI will either make adjustments for you directly or outline the steps you need to take. It's a time saver because it cuts down significantly on navigation time and allows you to focus more on growing your business rather than fiddling with controls. Using this feature effectively means getting comfortable with prompt commands. The good news is that it doesn't require you to be a tech wizard. Just clearly state what you want to achieve or modify and let the AI handle the rest. This is an excellent tool for both beginners who are still finding their way around and seasoned store owners wanting to streamline their operations. The best practice is to start with small tasks to get a feel for how Sidekick AI responds and handles changes. Perhaps adjust some store descriptions or play around with visual themes. Once you're confident, you can start tackling more complex functions. It's akin to having a knowledgeable assistant right by your side, ready to jump in and handle the details. And there you have it. By simply clicking on the head icon at the top right and entering your prompts, Shopify Sidekick AI takes the complexity out of store management, helping you focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy selling!